Good morning, homie. What's up? What's up? What's up? You see, he came out. Follow him. This is his Instagram. I told y'all he was already here. I heard his loud ass car. God, you did a fat ass pull right here, huh? Cause I was thinking I heard your car. I thought you hear your car, bro. Did you do it over there or what?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was like, damn, Raka's is here already. Yo, look, it's a fucking condo. These people are nasty, bro. You said sorry. Shut up. It wasn't yours. Yours is small, anyways. Alright, so we just arrived to auto parts. Look, yeah, we have nice auto parts. Shut up already. But we came to get some fog bulbs, like these bulbs right here. Oh, wait, hold up. They didn't put my keys away. Oh. But these bulbs, we're gonna come get them. Cause I'm pretty sure that these are gonna be all yellow and like clear. No, not yellow, like just tannish.
Hopefully, we don't find them.
No, we will find them. I've seen them already. Shut up. But then look at this Jeep. Look at that Jeep. It's nice. All right. Oh no, my shoelace. Hold up. Put that back. Right there. Okay, so I guess look at that. Oh, now I need some blue. I want blue ones though. That's the whole thing. Or not blue ones, but like just clear LED ones. So we just left the auto zone, or was that auto like? We just left that place, but that's because we didn't have what we needed. Like I was looking for some LED bulbs for the fogs, but they don't have them, so I'm gonna have to order them online. And I seen them already, but I have to hopefully my homies have money in the credit card, so I can give them the money cash in hand, and like they can help me pay for it. But if not, then I'm gonna have to go somewhere to go get a credit card so I can like actually go pay for that. But why doesn't everything go right one time? Shout out to Rakas for making me get this. Nah, fucking nah. It's just a little jewel, but we're getting whatever. What is it?
Stick.
A stick. I don't know anything about it, but so far it works like weed. It works like weed, and it's cheaper than weed.
$8, not bad.
And it's like 20 hits. And that's like 24.
Hell no.
How many is it?
200 hits.
Oh! Damn, this bitch is gonna last me for at least for a couple of weeks. So I don't smoke.
Yeah, it's probably like 3 days.
Or 3 days? Well, right now I'm puffing it like if I was a fucking addict already. Damn, this shit gives you lightheaded as hell. Don't do this, kids. For real, don't do this. This is cancer for y'all. Chill. How are you gonna say you wanna do it just to die faster? Chill. But we just arrived to the JDM crib. We arrived to the JDM. Yo, there's all the lineups right here. Look at all the lineup. Look at all the lineup. Tire mark. This one is mine. You can make a better burnout with your Ford Fusion. That one, the second one, this one right here, that one's mine. That one is mine from that one time.
We did a burnout here with the charger.
Oh, you did it? You just took off así? I mean, it took off. You probably would have stayed in burn. But yeah, look, we still got the SRT8s. Yup. We had the, but yeah, so today what we're gonna do is we are gonna take these ugly fogs, which I actually like the monster sticker. I think I might have to tell the boy Gio to go get me some new ones, cause for my other fogs. But yeah, I'm gonna take out these fogs and I'm gonna put the other ones in, and then yeah, hopefully my homie can help me wire them up. All right, so we just took off the front bumper so we can have him reach for the fogs in the back. Shut up, homie. Shut up. Oh look, these have bulbs. So this only one does. Already crooked. This is already crooked. Look. You see?
Bro.
So it's probably already broken.
Back together.
I don't know if it works though. It's wet though. Look, touch it. So,
okay, you wet.
Shut the fuck. So in order to take out these screws, I need to take out this bolt and this bolt, and I'm pretty sure that's it. And if I don't know,
that's a screw.
A screw, whatever it is, we still screw in. Oh, and that one as well. So, bro, whoever did this is some jank ass wiring, whatever, like bolting. They bolted. Oh my god! Well, they bolted this headlights all type of ghetto. Look at that! All ghetto as hell. I'm over here saving the car, bro. Straight up, I'm saving it. All right, long update. Bro, we dragged, bro. Well, I dragged, but I just took out this little girl from the bumper just to make it look clean and loud.
Does that mean you're going boosted?
Yeah, eBay boost
Is
maybe.
that the reason why I broke my bumper?
What?
I don't know.
Let me find out. Let me find out. You gotta wait and see. Keep watching the videos.
I don't know.
Bro, does it look nice? Yeah, hell yeah, it looks nice without that girl thing.
Let me hit your jewel, bro.
You wanna hit the jewel?
Please,
Yeah.
bro.
You wanna hit the jewel, bro? Here you go, bro. Now I have one. Now I have one. Oh, vote. Oh, damn. And no cough, bro. And no cough.
Nothing.
Like nothing. But yeah, now we're waiting on the homie Remo because he's the one that knows how to do all that wiring for the fog lights. He usually does it, right? He usually
He did
does.
mine on the black one.
Yeah, he
But
will.
then it got crashed.
Chill. I mean, now you got that beauty right there, so you really can't talk about it. But yeah, so we're just waiting on Memo for him to come out. And hold on, let me go take out the fog bulbs. Oh my God, I'm getting lightheaded. God damn. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm putting on the fogs, ghetto and shit. So I'm doing it ratchet. Specific tires, y'all. You already know. It ain't going anywhere like that, but I still gotta put more. That's for sure. Like I have to make sure it's all straight. What the?
So yeah, we wired up everything.
He's gonna start out the video. That's what's up. That's what's up.
So we gotta wire tuck everything.
Yeah, wire tuck everything. How we did it, how we're doing it right now is this wire right here is for the battery. So we're going. This is the battery right there. This is the positive. This is the fuse. This is running down to the other fog light, which is that one right there. And then we got the other side, which runs all the way over here, which is this one.
Yeah.
And then it's running over here to the fuse right here.
To the dashboard, inside, under the dashboard.
But now, I mean, they work and everything, but now we gotta pretty much wire tuck everything, which should be hard as hell.
Master electrician right here.
Just junkie.
You junk, I'm gonna junk you, nigga.
$7
No way. At the-
Or you could get them for another $7 at O'Reilly's.
no way.
Hell yeah. I got them for 7.
This is some badass wire cutters though
I
too.
lowballed them.
Ah, how can you lowball a guy that's telling it at the story?
The little measures. No, it's que they put them in the back now.
Yeah.
He was like, you know what? Just put it in your pocket.
No way.
overstock with that shit.
I would have probably, yeah, probably.
But still.
I would have been actually. I would have thought about it twice and be like, "Fuck, that is a setup." Shout out to the homie Chucky. Go subscribe to his channel. Is Slow EK. You already know.
EK.
Oh yeah, SLWEK. Yeah.
I'll leave it down. I'll leave it down in the description below.
You are or me?
Me, nigga.
Are you can add it to my? You can add in my videos.
I'll check your phone.
Are you can add my
I'll
videos?
check your phone.
Oh, so you can add in my video.
Well, pretty much.
Alright, for sure, you said it. You can add in my video. But yeah, shout out for making mine ends
You
clean.
might get the most views in a long time.
Shut up, whatever.
Well, no, shout out to your haters.
Shout out to all my haters.
I'm not a hater.
He's a lover. He's a lover. He's a teddy
Shout out to
lover.
the niggas talking shit about me.
What's
Love
up?
y'all.
I love
I
y'all.
wake up every morning.
To get shit talked on.
Thank you for watching my video.
My motivation.
You're giving me views.
Hell no,
Wait,
y'all.
they still watching these motherfuckers.
Espérate, güey. Rex tiene que ir phone.
¿Y no se le cae nada? No, dale.
He said something's gonna break on it.
Dale, Rex, oiga.
Yeah, ¿sí se las quema? ¿Sí te las quema? Oh, I like that interior. It looks so it looks more modern. Hey, you got a little tire, bro. Che loco. So I got the ignition on. The button is working because it's green. Look. Now it's on.
You're talking to yourself again?
Shut up! God damn. But yeah, they working. Bro, now I need zip ties for this, bro. How you gonna do me like that? God damn it. Hey, but shout out to homie Christian, that ass. Oh, eh, si la hace. Damn. Damn. This is his, this is mine. That is crazy. So yeah, we're done with the fogs. We just installed them, so everything's all good to go. We just shut the.
Dude, you took it to yourself again?
My homies are always dicks.
Dude, you got
But-
friends over here.
Huh?
You got friends over here.
Okay, but my vlogs are my friend too. Exactly. Shut the fuck. But yeah, look, I'm about to show y'all the build, how it looks now. Yeah, ooh, looks sexy as hell. Imagine with some LEDs, some green LED. I don't know if I want green LEDs or not. I don't know. My homies should telling me to get something different, at least white LEDs. But I don't know. Shit, drop a message down in the comments below how you think it turned out. Hey, homie. I mean, yeah, you made it clean though, not gonna lie. Hey, but it'll get sandpaper or what? So sand it out. So since we're all done, I'm gonna put y'all down. And oh, okay. Leave y'all down, and I'm just gonna clean my vape real quick, cause I wanted to use my vape for a while already. There it is. Wait, why is it not focus? Focus.
What is
Gang,
that?
gang, gang. Gang, gang, gang. EK gang all the way.
What is that?
But hold on, let me go get my other coil. So I just bought a new coil because I'm pretty sure, obviously, look at this one, how it turned out. How it, oh, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like this nasty orange goo, whatever. Okay, but I don't know what else to record, so right now I'm just gonna, whatever it is. I don't know if y'all like, if you like it when we record just when we're hanging out like that, leave a comment below, be like, hey, yo, that's what's up. Like, just drop something in the comments below, like, shit up, bro. What would you guys like to see, actually? Because we got plans for the cars, but we just don't know what orders to put them on. So it's all up to you guys. Let me know what y'all want to see. Fender flares, painting the car, wheels. I don't know what y'all want to see. Just drop it in the comment.
Junkie.
How are you gonna talk shit about my car like that, bro?
I'm not.
He said you're always like junk it. Nah, I'm junking you.
You will get a lot of videos from that.
Probably, but probably the more talk shit comments. Yeah. And just know, I'm doing a low budget car. So this is a low budget car. You know how much I got this car for?
$1.
Yep, I got it for $1. And I put like already so far like about $200 in it. And it ain't bad for how much everything I've done so far. Like, shout out to my homies again. Shout out to everybody who has given me stuff to complete this car. Like, yeah, that's what's up, homie. Like, y'all
Hey, dude, I want everything
back.
back. I want everything back.
Nah, hell no, I ain't giving you shit back. You can get this dick though.
Oh, what is that? Ricer.
You a ricer. Look, I don't know if y'all know how my car sounds outside, but look, y'all gotta hear this.
Hey, subscribe to my Instagram.
subscribe, you follow.
Shit, fucking follow.
Subscribe. Hell nah. But y'all can hear my car's loud as hell, like loud. I need to fix that. I don't know. But hopefully getting a turbo. Oh, y'all want to see a turbo build too? Let me know. Drop it down in the comments below. What you want to see? Wheels, car to paint, boost, or just making the car look nice, pretty, little by little. But drop it in the comments below. Come on, like y'all know, y'all gotta let me know. Straight up, y'all gotta let me know what y'all want to see. Yo, I don't know if my car. Yeah, my car needs to go lower. Damn. Look at that gap. I'm gonna be tucking if I go lower. Look, get up.
Fuck you.
Get up.
No.
I'm trying to see my gap. How big is it? Ah, there's a car. Eh? Oh, you already was enough. Yo, I need to go lower.
Get up, Joe.
Oh my, yeah, I need to go lower. I really do. I don't know. I just got rust everywhere though. That's all I know. Bro, this bitch is huge. Oh, no, que se me lleva. Yo, this dog is huge. That's a homie's dog. Look, let me see her eyes. Hey, come here, come here. Hey, sit. Hey, sit. Come here. Hey, come here, nigga. Oh, oh, she literally ran over me.
Cállese, pendeja, cállese.
Hey, go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Oh, I was tired. That dog was pretty cool. As y'all can see, we haven't seen no pit bull in a long time. Hey, for real, it's been a long time I haven't seen no pit bull.
I thought that was a Chihuahua.
Just arrived to Thornton's. Hey, we're quiet. But here, chilling with the K-Tune, and I fucking with y'all. I'm a little single, can relax. First race, and we already getting pulled over. Hey, Pasada, hey, Officer Price retiring, which y'all know who he is. He's the coolest officer in this bitch, in this street. Yo, you already know. Shout out, but yo, we're gonna miss Officer Pablo, low-key. The boy Gordo was already crying. No mames, I think we're gonna get in trouble.
I got the video.
Eh?
I got some video.
Oh, for real? Chilling with 5-0, chilling with 5-0 with all the homies, and one of the other homies pulled up. Yeah, EK gang, you already know, always. Alright, so it's already about 3:30 in the afternoon. I have to go to work in a bit, so I will have to get ready already for work. So yeah, hope y'all liked the video, today's video. And yeah, hope you guys learn how to install your fogs on your 97 Honda Civic. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy the video, and I hope y'all like the fucking install, because little by little I'll make that car look so pretty, like y'all don't even know. Like, and I haven't snoozed. I haven't been snoozing. If y'all can tell, like I've been doing stuff to my car, and then you can actually tell my car didn't come how it is right now. It didn't really come how it is. So little by little, we'll make it there. I'll be there to my car. So hopefully one day that car will be pretty enough to be in car shows and stuff like that. So, but yeah, no, that's not the plan for right now. But yeah, comment down in the comments below if what do you want to see next? Like straight up, what do you guys want to see? Like my homies were telling me boost like EK. They want me to boost it because they say I can handle pretty good power with that. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to make it look pretty and then focus on the motor, or focus on the motor and then make it look pretty. But I don't know. Y'all gotta let me know real quick, cause yeah, you guys are the one watching everything on the video. So yeah, but let me know. Comment down what you want to see. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. I would appreciate it if you would share it to your friends, to your cousins, to your brothers, anybody, cause follow the movement. But yeah, yeah, I guess I'm gonna get ready for work. Peace out. See you with the next one.